Hey guys, Tim McCormick here at Good Health, and I'm with Todd Robbins, who needs no introduction. We're talking about the Neuropathy Relief Workshop that's coming up on Wednesday, February 26th at 6:30 p.m. at the Robbins Rehab Easton location on Sullivan Trail in Forks Township. But Todd, if people are wondering, should I attend, is there anything that they can do right now?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're going to give a ton of information. I want to give you one test that you can try at home. Really simple to do. So Tim will demonstrate for us here. I want you to kind of get out of your shoes, all right? Get on a flat surface, okay? Nice work. And you're just going to work on balancing on one foot, okay? So go ahead, hold your balance on one foot. You just can't touch anything else, okay? And you're going to time yourself. So what's important to think about is this: how long can I stay in this stable position, all right? If you're less than 5 seconds, we got to talk. Like, you really should be able to do that. 5 to 15 seconds, you're in, kind of like, we should be like paying attention to this, but if you're over like 30 seconds or a minute, you're doing pretty good, all right? So I want you to try this out, test it out at home. If you can make it, no longer than like a few seconds, it's going to be important for you to get to our neuropathy workshop and learn a little bit more about what you can do to help out with these things. So all you have to do that is register below. All right, we want to get everyone registered, and we'll be contacting you before the event. Make sure you know where everything is and how to get there. But we're really excited, again, to see you Wednesday, February 26th at 6:30 up at our Easton location.
See you there.
See you.